Ciao, Bella. Welcome back to CleanClave Kitchen, where we celebrate the joy of cooking simple, delicious, and healthy meals. Today, we're diving into the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean with a recipe that's as quick and easy as it is good for you. Are you ready to nourish your body with a burst of fresh ingredients and tantalizing aromas? This recipe is perfect for a light lunch, a satisfying snack, or a flavorful side dish to complement any meal. Let's get cooking. Get ready to whip up my Mediterranean chickpea salad, a symphony of sunshine. It's a delightful dance of textures and tastes that will transport you straight to the sun-kissed shores of Italy and Greece. This salad is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making it a satisfying and nutritious meal. It's incredibly versatile too. Enjoy it on its own, nestled in a pita bread, or served alongside grilled fish or chicken. Before we begin, let's gather our colorful cast of ingredients. Each one brings its own unique flavor, texture, and nutritional benefits to our dish, creating a symphony of taste and health. Chickpeas. One can of these golden gems is packed with plant-based protein and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. They are not only versatile but also incredibly nutritious, making them a staple in many healthy diets around the world. Whether you're making a salad, a stew, or a snack, chickpeas are a fantastic choice. Cucumber. Cool and refreshing, cucumber adds a delightful crunch and hydration to our salad. Its high water content helps keep you hydrated, while its crisp texture provides a satisfying bite. Cucumbers are also low in calories, making them a perfect addition to any weight-conscious meal plan. Cherry tomatoes. Bursting with juicy sweetness, these little jewels bring a vibrant pop of color and antioxidants. Rich in vitamins A and C, cherry tomatoes support your immune system and skin health. Their natural sweetness balances the savory elements of our salad, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Red onion. A touch of pungent sweetness adds depth and complexity to our flavor profile. Red onions are not only flavorful, but also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They add a subtle heat and a beautiful color contrast to our dish. Fresh parsley. This bright herb delivers a burst of freshness and a dose of vitamins. Parsley is rich in vitamins K, C, and A, and it adds a lovely green hue and a slightly peppery taste to our salad. It's a small but mighty ingredient that elevates the overall flavor. Extra virgin olive oil. A drizzle of this liquid gold provides healthy fats and enhances the flavors of our salad. Olive oil is known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It not only adds a rich, smooth texture, but also helps in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the other ingredients. Lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a bright, zesty tang that balances the richness of the other ingredients. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and aids in digestion. The acidity of the lemon juice cuts through the olive oil, creating a perfect harmony of flavors. Salt and pepper. A pinch of each to enhance the natural flavors and bring it all together. Salt amplifies the taste of the ingredients, while pepper adds a subtle heat and complexity. Together, they ensure that every bite of our salad is perfectly seasoned and delicious. Let's get those knives chopping and create a symphony of textures. The rhythm of the knife hitting the cutting board, the vibrant colors of the vegetables, and the fresh aromas filling the air. It's all part of the magic of cooking. So, let's dive in and make this an enjoyable experience. 1. Drain and rinse. Open that can of chickpeas and give them a good rinse under cold water. We want them nice and clean. This step is crucial to remove any excess salt and to ensure our chickpeas are ready to absorb all the delicious flavors we'll be adding later. Make sure they're well drained before moving on. 2. Cucumber crunch. Dice the cucumber into small, bite-sized pieces, releasing its refreshing aroma. The crispness of the cucumber will add a delightful crunch to our dish, making every bite a refreshing experience. Take your time to ensure even pieces for a consistent texture. 3. Tomato bursts. Have those cherry tomatoes, imagining those juicy bursts of flavor. Each tomato is like a little flavor bomb, ready to explode with sweetness and acidity. This will add a beautiful color and a burst of freshness to our dish. 4. Onion dance. Finely dice the red onion, adding a touch of sharpness to our flavor profile. The red onion will bring a subtle heat and a bit of crunch, balancing the sweetness of the tomatoes and the freshness of the cucumber. Make sure to dice it finely to distribute the flavor evenly. 5. Parsley magic. Roughly chop the fresh parsley, releasing its invigorating aroma. Parsley will add a burst of green and a fresh, herbaceous note to our dish. It's the perfect finishing touch, bringing all the flavors together in harmony. Don't be afraid to be generous with it. Section 5. The dressing. A symphony of flavors. This is where the magic happens, where simple ingredients come together to create something extraordinary. Now, let's create the dressing that will bring our Mediterranean masterpiece to life. This dressing is the heart and soul of our dish, infusing it with vibrant, fresh flavors. First, we have the zesty lemon. This citrus fruit is not just a flavor enhancer, but also a burst of sunshine in our dressing. Squeeze the juice of one juicy lemon into a small bowl, imagining the bright, sunny flavor it adds. The lemon juice will provide a tangy base that balances the richness of the other ingredients. Next, we add what I like to call liquid gold. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a fat, it's a flavor powerhouse that brings a smooth, fruity note to our dressing. Drizzle in a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, and whisk it together with the lemon juice. This combination creates a harmonious blend that is both rich and refreshing. And finally, the seasoning secrets. These tiny additions make a world of difference. Add a pinch of salt and a grind of fresh black pepper. These seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of our ingredients, making the dressing truly unforgettable. Remember, we can always adjust the seasoning later. Taste as you go and feel free to add more salt or pepper to suit your palate. This is your creation, so make it perfect for you. Section 6. Combining our culinary masterpiece. It's time to bring all our vibrant ingredients together and create a symphony of textures and tastes. First, chickpea power. In a large bowl, add the rinsed and drained chickpeas. Next, the veggie medley. Toss in the diced cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, and finely diced red onion. Finally, parsley magic. Sprinkle in the roughly chopped fresh parsley, adding a burst of color and freshness. Section 7. Taste bud, tango. Seasoning to perfection. Remember, tasting is believing. Let's make sure our Mediterranean chickpea salad is seasoned to perfection. First, the dressing drizzle. Pour the lemon and olive oil dressing over the salad. Then, a gentle toss. Use a large spoon to gently toss all the ingredients together, ensuring everything is evenly coated in the flavorful dressing. And now, for the most important part. Take a taste and adjust the seasoning with a touch more salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon juice if needed. Section 8. Ready to enjoy. And there you have it, your very own Mediterranean chickpea salad. A symphony of sunshine is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for a refreshing treat later. This salad gets even more flavorful as the flavors meld together over time. Section 9. Join the CleanClave family. I can't wait for you to experience this burst of Mediterranean sunshine. Once you try this simple and delicious recipe, be sure to share your experience with me. Leave a comment below, tag me on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick, healthy, and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Ciao.